Okay, do let me know once you're able to see my screen.
Yes, sir,
Good.
able to see.
Okay. Now see here, I'm just checking whether I connected to right host or not. Yes, I connected to right host, and IP also just check it 192.158.6 or 56.108. That is also done. Okay, just give DFF and H. See here, no more point is more than 85%. That is also good. And next one, I'm checking PSFNF grep PMON. No database is running. And checking listener also not running. Then I'm setting the environmental variable to DB. Then now just connecting to SQL plus /SSDVA. Then just give startup. Yep, my database is going to start now. Okay, in a previous session, what we discussed or what we talked. Okay, we talked about the 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. Hmm. We talked about the cold backup. Okay, we are talking about the backup and the recoveries. Okay, as a part of it. Okay, yesterday we learned about the cold backup. Okay, and here, okay, there we talked about what are the advantages are there, what are the disadvantages are there. Now today we are discussing about the hard backup. Okay, we are planning to learn about hard backup. But for the hard backup, there is a requirement that is pre-requirement that is Archelog file management. If you want to start the or if you want to take the hard backup of the database must be run in archive log mode. The database must be run in archive log mode. Now see here, okay, I started my database. Here you can see select a name comma open underscore mode from v dollar database. The database is running or not running? Yes, it is running. Let me exit from here. Just give psfnip grep pimon. Okay, database is running here. Next, TNS listener is not running. ls nrctl start. Okay, I'm starting the listener. I'm starting the listener. ps-ef ps-ef grep pimon. Database is running. Next, the listener also we run. Okay, done. Now, see, if you want to take a hard backup of the database must be run in archelog mode. That is the primary prerequisite for any hard backup. Hard backup or for RMAN backup, that is a primary prerequisite. What is that? The database must be run in archelog mode. Now see here, okay, how come we know whether database running in archelog mode? Now see here, select, see here, name, comma, okay, open underscore mode. Here you are able to see open underscore mode, comma, log underscore mode. Here you can see, are we able to see log underscore mode column? Able to see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, log underscore mode from v dollar database. Let me check recording is started or not. Okay, it started. Done. Okay, see here. Okay, log underscore mode. What it is telling you? Log underscore
No,
mode is
okay.
telling you
Log.
no archive log mode, right? Next one. Okay, archive log list. There is another way to find okay, the database is running in archive log mode or not. That is archive log list. Archive log list. See here, database log mode. What it is showing you? No archive log mode. Okay, automated archival disabled. Archive destination. This is a default destination for archives. I told no. Oracle Home DBS will be the default destination for archives. Or Oracle Home is Oracle Home DBS is the default for okay initialization parameter files, password files, along with that one archive logs also. Along with that one for backups, there no RMN backups. For RMAN backup, the default destination will be the RKlog. Oracle Home, RKlog. Oracle Home DBS, RKlog. What is this RKlog mode? Why you need to keep the databases in RKlog mode? Why this is important when we are taking hard backup or RMAN backup? Simple. At the database level, some transactions will happen, right? Let's take an example. The database level, some transactions will happen. Like the transaction related data has to be logged somewhere, no? First, it will log or it will be presented in redo log files. But for redo log, every time the redo logs will be overwrite, right? When archives are redo logs are generated new. Okay. Now where is the recovery? Suppose if I want to go for recovery, how come I can go for recovery? Right? To avoid that one, okay, or to secure your database, we'll keep the databases in archive log mode. Will keep the databases in archive log mode. Okay. Yeah, this is for recovery purpose. Archive logs are recovery purpose. Okay. If I want to enable the archive log, see, let me show you one thing. Okay. Select a file name from dba underscore data underscore files. What I will get it if I keep like this? If I give like this, I will get where my data files are located, no? Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Next, db underscore temp underscore files. I will know where my temp files are located. Now see here. Select a member from $v log file. Okay. I will know, in which location I kept my RK logs. Is that, sorry, read log files. Is that correct?
Yes.
Next, select a file name from $v control file. Okay. We will know where our control files are located. Is that correct now?
Yes.
Okay. Now we are planning to, keep destination for, archeologs. For archives, the default destination, interview question. What is the default destination for archives? What is the default destination for archives?
Oracle Home slash DBS slash R.
Oracle Home DBS Arc. That is the default destination for our archives. Is that correct, right?
Yes.
Now, can I keep my archives, to copy into this U01 mount point? As I told earlier, don't keep any data files, redo log files, or any other files in the archive log, in U01 mount point. Why? If U01 mount point reach to 100%, the database will not run, no? Is that correct? The database will not run. If database is not running, that is a business outage, no? Correct, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. To avoid all those things, for archives, we'll keep a different mount point. Okay. As I told earlier, we created one mount point earlier at the time of Linux creation. Are we able to see here one mount point? Arc. Okay. In this mount point, I will reroute my arclog destination. See, currently, what is my arclog destination? This is my arclog destination. Okay. First, to change this one, what I need to do, mkdir-p. Okay, let me go inside of archive. Arc lsfnlrt. In this location, I will create one directory. Okay, like archives, and to this directory, I will point my arclogs. Now see here, okay. I will make this directory as the arclog destination. Boys, don't go, don't make noise. I will make this one as my, arclog destination now. See, okay, let me connect it to SQL Plus. Okay, now check the database status. Select name, open underscore more, log underscore more, from v dollar database. What it is showing you, the database is an open state. Database is an open state, and this one in non-archlog mode, no archlog mode. Now here you go, archive log list. See here, okay. See, now database is in no archlog mode, and automated archival is disabled. This is the archlog destination for us. Before we are going to enable the archlog, okay, we'll keep the default location for archives. Okay, see how to set alter system. Okay, before that, show parameter log underscore r. Okay, show parameter log underscore archive underscore dest underscore 1. See, currently, are we able to see any destination here value?
No, sir.
Based on this one, suppose if anything is not there here, that is default destination, nothing but your archival is, okay, this is, it will go to this location. When you keep the database right in archlog mode, whatever archives will be generated, that archives will go to Oracle Home DBS arc location. Okay, now I don't want like that. Okay, okay, now I want to keep my customized location for archives. Alter system set log underscore archive underscore dest underscore 1 is equal to, okay, location I need to give, okay, what is our location? We need to give that one. This is the location we are planning to keep now. Keep that one. Okay, enter. What it is telling you?
System order.
That means the parameter was modified now. That means the parameter was modified, right? Now check. Earlier, when I given the archive log list, okay, here what is a default archive log destination showing for us?
DBS Oracle Home DBS /arc.
Arc, right? Now let's see. What is the archive log destination it is showing us?
Archives.
Arc/archives. Now, did I enable the archlog mode? The database is in which mode now?
No archive mode.
Automated archival is in which state?
Disabled.
Now, okay, first what we need to do, we need to keep the customized destination for archives. I kept that one. After that, you need to keep the databases in archive log mode. After that, we need to keep the databases in archlog mode. How to keep that? If you want to keep the databases in archlog mode, only it is possible when database is in mount state. Now, what is the state of the DB now? What is the state of the DB?
It's running.
Up and running. That is in open state. Can I go to mount state from open? Can I go to mount state from open? Is it possible to go like that?
No, sir. While starting the database only.
First, you need to shut down the DB. If I want to shut down the DB, what I need to do? I need to check, okay, database is running with SP file or P file. Show parameter SP file. The database is running with which file?
SP file.
Okay, now I will create a P file is equal to, or create P file from SP file. My P file got created. Then after that, alter system set, alter system switch log file. Done. Now you just shut down your DB. Once shutdown is done, if you want to enable the archlog mode, if you want to enable the archlog mode, you need to keep the databases in mount state. You need to start the databases in mount. How to start the databases in mount? Let me show you that. Okay, now database was down now?
Yes.
Okay. Once the database was down, what I need to do? I need to start the databases in startup mount. See, enabling the arclog mode or disabling the arclog mode is possible in mount state only. Okay, enabling the arclog mode, disabling the arclog mode is possible in which state?
In mount state.
Okay, now I started the database in which state now?
In mount state.
What is the command I used to start that?
Startup mount.
Startup mount, right? Okay, startup mount. I started my database. Now see, select name, comma, open underscore mode, comma, log underscore mode from v dollar database. Now, what is the state of the DB now? Database is in mount state. Archive log mode is no archive log mode. Now see here, archive log list. What it is showing you? No archive log mode. It is there. It is in no archive log mode. Automated archival is disabled. Right now, if I want to enable the archive log mode, now see, I'm enabling the archive log mode. Alter database archive log. Simple command. Alter database archive log. See what it is telling you? Database is altered. Okay. Now just check the state of the DB now. What is the state of the DB? Database was in mount state. What is the log mode for the DB? Archive log mode, no?
Yes.
Okay. Now just open the database. Now database is in which state now?
Mount.
Okay. Now
Okay.
check the DB status now by using here. Okay. Here you can see database log mode is what?
Archive mode.
And automated archival is enabled now. Here you can see it is enabled, right? What is
Yes.
arclog destination? This
Arc.
is our arclog destination. Arc/arcase. That is our arclog destination. Now, okay, if I want to open the database means alter. It is a mandatory. Once you keep the database in an arclog mode, okay, open the database. Alter database open. Alter database is open. Now check database status. Done. Let me take a duplicate session. I want to open the alert log file. Let me show you that what is going on in alert log. Okay. If I go above little bit, okay. Here you are able to see, okay, whatever commands we used it. We used alter database, okay, archive log, no? Okay, those and all commands you are able to see. See here, the database was mounted. After that, I used the command to enable the archive log mode, no? At what time I did it? 9:48, 59 seconds. It is completed. At what time it is completed? 9:49, 28 seconds. It took almost 30 seconds to enable the archive log mode. Okay. Then after that, what we did, we started our database by using alter database open. Okay. Once that is done, okay, the database was open now. The database was open, right? Now, if you see here, okay, what is the state of the DB now? Read write. That means open. And what is a log mode?
Archive log.
Archive log mode, right? Now, if I do one log switch manually, okay. Once log is enabled, archive log is enabled in mount state, you need to open the database by using alter database open. After that, okay, one log switch is mandatory. How to do log switch? Alter system, switch log file. Like this, you need to do it. Hey, Pawan. Alter system, switch log file. Like this, you need to do it. Okay. Now, okay. Yeah. If you go to Oracle, okay, let me take one more duplicate session. Okay, let me set the environmental variable P1 WinPro. Okay, if I go to arc/archives, here you go. I did one manual log switch now. Able to see one archlog file here. Able to see archlog file here.
Yes.
Archlog file extension will be okay .dbf or .log or .arc. In these three, anything will be there. .dbf, .arc, .log. In this, anything should be there. But for us, what it came? .log. That is the default one. Okay. Now here you go. Okay. Okay. You are able to see here. Okay. The database is an open state. The database is an open state and log mode is archival log. Log mode is archival log. Okay. Any questions here? How to enable the archival log mode? Suppose if I do one more log switch, what will happen here? One more archival log will be generated. Able to see here? One more archival log. Earlier 44, now 45. Able to see that information?
Yes.
Okay, let me go here. Okay, now I want to know what is the sequence of our archives. Archive log list. Now see, what it is showing you, database log mode is archive log mode. Automated archival is enabled. Archive log destination is, this is the one. Okay, currently log, where it is writing, here you can see. Currently log is writing to here. Old one is this one. 44 and 45 is the old one. Next log sequence it is showing 46. Okay. Yeah. This is how we will identify to where our log switch is going on. Currently, where our log switches is going on. Okay. Yeah. Any questions here? How to enable the archive log mode? When this archives will generate, whenever we do the insert, update, or delete, it causes to increasing the data. That increase the data where it will generate redo log buffer. That increase the data will call it as a what? Redo log entry or redo log vector. Redo vector. When commit has happened, that redo vector is going to write from online redo log buffer to online redo log file now.
Yes.
If database is in archive log mode, the active redo log file is going to write into archive log destination by arc background process. By archiver. We'll say archiver. Shortly we'll call it as arc. Shortly we'll call it as arc. This arc process, what it will do? It will show you or it will see what are the redo logs which are in active state. That redo logs it will copy to archive log destination by using archiver background process. That means when transactions are happening, archives will generate now. Is that correct? At database level, if transactions are happening, means archives will generate now. What kind of transactions it will generate the redos? Insert, update, delete. Select statement will generate redo. This is the interview question. Select statement will generate the redo. Select means I'm just watching the data which is there in the database now. That's it, right?
Yes.
In that time, reduce will generate? No.
Sir.
Reduce will not generate when we are doing the select statements. When we are doing the select statement. When we are doing insert, update, or delete. When we are doing the insert, update, or delete, that time reduce will be generated. If reduce are generated means archives will generate or not if database is in archive log mode. Yes, it will generate. Okay. If database is in arclog mode, whenever redos are generated, that time archives will be generated automatically. The times archives will be generated automatically. Able to follow me? Any questions here? Able to follow me?
Sir, when database is in online mode,
Hmm.
so when we enable this archive log, so there is no any downtime required.
To enable the arclog mode, does downtime is required means? Yes, it is required.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. See, in what state I can enable the arclog mode or what state I can disable the arclog mode?
Mount state.
Mount. From open to mount, can I go
No, sir.
directly?
Shut down and we need to
We need
restart
to
it.
shut down the DB and we need to start up the DB in mount, enable the arclog mode and open the databases in open state, and you need to perform log switch, right?
Yes.
No. If database is in online, sorry.
The
If database
database
is in
is
online, okay, if you want to enable the arclog mode, it is a mandatory to shut down the DB. Without of that, you can't.
so in mount state, there will be no any impact to production. They can read, write everything they can do in mount state also.
In mount state, you are able to do the restorations and recoveries. You are able to enable, disable the arclog mode. In mount state, application will connect it to DB. In mount state, end users will connect it to the DB. No.
No, sir.
I told at the time of startup and shutdown services, I told when the DB is in mount state, except application users, no one will not able to connect the database, like that I told. Right? Except sysdbn system, no one will not able to connect the database in a mount state. Okay? When no one is not able to connect, where is a point of inconsistency in the data? Where is a point of inconsistency in application? Right? Able to follow me? Did I clarify your doubt? Hello?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. In mount state, no one will connect to the DB. So you don't need to worry about that. Okay? Nothing will happen. If you enable, okay, or if you disable, nothing will happen. Okay? Yeah. Any questions here? Okay. Now let's take an example. Just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. రికార్డ్ అయినాయి అంటే పోలీస్ అంకుల్కి పంపిస్తా ఇద్దరిని తీసుకెళ్ళి పడతాడు అది క్లిప్ పెట్టుకొని రాబడుతుంది జడకి వెళ్ళి వాటర్ తేపాలి ఉత్తరానికి వాటర్ తేపాలి ఇలాంటి వాటర్ తేపా Okay. See, let's take an example. In the database, lot of transactions are happening. That means how RKs will generate, more will generate or less will generate? It will generate more, no?
Yes.
More transactions, more RKs. Less transactions, less RKs. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now we know how to disable the arclog mode. Now we'll try to class lo vaskundago. We'll try to disable the arclog mode. See, when we will try to disable the arclog mode, see, in real time, the database always will be in arclog mode only. Why? Because if you want to take a hard backup of the DB, or if you want to take RMAN backup of the database, the database must be run in arclog mode. For other backups, if database in arclog mode or non-arclog mode, doesn't matter to that. But hard backup and RMAN backup, if you want to take this two, the database must be run in arclog mode. In real time, every time the database will be in archive log mode only. Sir, you are going to disable the arclog mode. Why you need to disable? When we will disable it? When we will disable it means, okay, at database level, we will move the tables from one table space to another table space. That means I'm modifying data from one table space to another table space now. That time how archives will be there? Archives will be generated more or less? More only, no? If more archives are generated, if this archive log destination reach to 100%, your database will go hang state. Your database will go hang state, and the application users will not able to connect the DB, and they are not able to perform any transactions. That means that is an outage. To avoid that outage, first what we will do, we'll keep the databases in arclog mode, non-arclog mode, and we'll move the tables from one table space to another table space. Okay, I will show you that concept. Okay, end of the sessions. Okay, not now. Okay, not now. Okay, yeah. Now, database is in which state now? Arclog mode. And automated archival is enabled. Automated archival is enabled. Now, I want to disable the automated archival. If you want to disable the automated archival, okay, simple way, okay, you need to shut down the DB. Before shutting down the DB, what we need to do? Create P file from SP file. Next, shut down immediate. If you want to do one log switch, that is also fine. You just do it. Done. Now what we are doing? We are shutting down the DB. Why we are shutting down the DB? That is matter. Why I am shutting down the DB?
We are disabling the archive mode.
Right. We need to disable the arclog mode. If I want to disable the arclog mode, what is that? In which state I'm able to do it?
Mount.
Mount state. Now database is in open state. Can I go to mount? From open to mount, can I go directly?
No.
No, it is not possible. You need to shut down the DB and you need to start the databases in mount. You need to start the databases in mount. How to start the databases in mount? Alter database mount. Okay, alter database mount. Now see here, select name comma, okay, open underscore more, comma, log underscore more from v dollar database. What it is showing me, the database is in mount. The log mode is mode is arclog mode. Okay, now see here, one more way to check whether database is in arclog mode or not. Now database is in arclog mode now. Automated archival is enabled, right? What is the destination for archives? arc/archives. What is the destination for archives is arc/archives. This is the one now. Now, okay, I'm going to disable the arclog mode. Alter database, no archive log. Alter database, no archive log. See, to enable alter database archive log, okay, there is a no gap between no and archive and log. It's a single word. Lot of people's word they will do no alter database, no space, archive space, log. It's not like that. Single word, this is the one. Now check archival status. See here, database log mode, no arclog mode, and automated archival disabled. Now see, okay, another way to find the databases in arclog mode, see what it is showing you. And once that is done, what we need to do? Alter database open. I need to open my database. I need to open my database. Now see here, I opened my database. Now database is in which state? No arclog mode. Now here you go, archive log list. See, automated database log mode is no arclog mode. Automated archival is disabled, and this is my arclog destination. This is my arclog destination. This is the way we can disable the archive log mode. Okay, in interview, they will ask the how to enable the arclog mode. Okay, in interview, they will ask the how to enable the arclog mode. Okay, now see, the database is in no arclog mode. Okay, I set the environmental variable like this. Not environmental variable, location. I kept the location for my archives using this one. How I said, alter system set log underscore archive underscore dest underscore state underscore 1. Here we go. Log underscore archive underscore dest underscore state underscore 1. Earlier it was nothing. After setting, no, we are able to see that one, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Right? This is our arclog destination. Right? Now, see, if I want to enable the arclog mode, okay, first you need to set the destination by using this parameter. Okay, what is that parameter? Alter system set log underscore archive underscore dest underscore state underscore 1 is equal to location. I need to give the location. This is the one. Once you given the location, now see here, archive log list. Able to see the location now? Okay, here you can see. I'm able to see the location. Right. Now, once location is aligned, once location is aligned, what you need to do? Okay, you need to shut down the DB and you need to start the database as in mount and enable the arclog mode. Right. Now, okay, before shutting down, what I need to do? I need to check, okay, show parameter SP file. Database is running with SP file, no? Now, I will create P file from SP file. Okay, sir, every time it's a mandatory means that's it. It's a mandatory every time. Okay, it's a mandatory every time. Every day, why we need to eat? One day is enough, no, for week. It is a mandatory every time. Okay, shut down the DB. I'm shutting down the DB now. Once you shut down the DB, what we need to do? We need to start the databases in mount state. You need to start the databases in mount state. Now see, okay, startup mount. Startup mount, alter database mount. Okay, now see, select name comma open underscore mode comma log underscore mode from $database. Database is in which state now? Mount. No arclog mode. Log mode is no arclog mode. Okay, now see here, archive log list. Archive log list. See here, database arclog log mode is no archival. Automated archival is disabled, and this is our arclog destination. Now, what we need to do? We need to enable the arclog mode. Alter database archive log. Okay, now here we go. Now just check. Database is mounted. Now it is in arclog mode. Okay, now see archive log list. What it is showing you? Arclog mode and automated archival is enabled. Now, okay, database is in mount state now. I need to open the database. Alter database open. Alter database open. Once the database is opened, you need to, okay, do one log switch. That is mandatory. That is mandatory. Okay, log switch log file. Done. Now just give archive log list. Able to see the database. Okay, in archive log mode, automated archival is enabled. Archives are going this location, and this is the current sequence of archive. Okay. Yeah. Any questions here? Any questions here? How to enable, how to disable the archive log mode? How to enable and how to disable the archive log mode? Able to follow me?
Yes.
Right now? No questions, right? So far? Can I proceed further? Okay. Whatever I discussed, right? Everything it was there in the documentation. Let me show you the documentation. Okay, see everything I kept here. Hmm? See how to disable also I kept. Here you can see. How to disable also I kept here. Okay. And after that, how to enable also. Okay, it is there here only. You just go. Okay. Now, this is one of the interview question, or this is the one you will face every time. Not every time. When huge and bunch of transactions are happening in the DB, if archive backups are not happening, that time we will get these kind of errors. That time we'll get these kind of errors. Okay. Yeah. What is that one? Okay. Let's take an example. What is the archlog destination now? This is our archlog destination now. Is that correct?
Yes.
Archives will go to that location only, right? Okay. Now let me go to that location. Give pwd df-h dot. How much space is utilizing now? Used percentage? 12%. If it is reached to 100%, what will happen? If it is reached to 100%, what will happen? That is important. Okay. You will get the one interview question, or you will get in real time also this kind of issue. You need to fix that issue. You need to fix that issue. If database went to, see, if archlog destination reached to 100%, if archlog destination reached to 100%, okay, database will go hang state. No new users will not connect to database. No new user will not connect to database. And existing transactions will be on hold. Whatever transactions are there, no, the transactions you are not able to perform. See here, when we have the huge number of transactions at database level, the times archives will generate more. Because of it, archlog destination will reach to 100%. Okay, when archives are reached to 100%, DB will go hang state. No database and application users will not able to connect the database. Okay, it will not allow new users to connect the DB. Entire database will be on hang state. That means existing users not able to perform any transactions, new users not able to connect the DB. That means it is at outage or not? It's outage only, no?
Yes.
Okay, it is a outage only. Now, in that scenario, what kind of errors you will get it? See, These all are the two errors, you will get it. These all are the two errors, we'll get it. Vara 00257. RK log destination reached to 100%. Contact the DB admin. Or Vara 00272. RKver background process got stuck. See, if RK log destination is reached to 100%, RKver process able to write the data into RK log destination? Does it able to write the data?
No.
No. If space is there, I can write. If space is not there, how can I can write? That means now archiver is will not work now. It is in stuck process, right? Stuck state,
Yes.
no? Okay.
Yes.
These two errors, you will get it. How to resolve these two errors? Okay, these two errors, okay, when you got these two errors, there are two cases will be there. First case, DBA will able to connect the database. If DBA is able to connect the database, any questions? Any questions or doubts? No, right? Yeah, in between some sound was happened. That's what I told. I felt okay, something is there. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now here, there. Okay, when you got these two errors, there are two situations are there. One is like DBA able to connect the DB, and he is able to perform the transaction. That is a case one. He is able to fix the issue. Second one, DBA will not able to connect the DB. Okay, let's take an example. We'll take a second one as the first one. Assume that sysdba is not able to connect the DB. If DBA is not able to log into the database, okay, due to RKlog destination, okay, we need to connect with the Unix team and raise the ticket to increase the mount point size from lower to higher. See, my RKlog destination is in 10 GB. Okay, that 10 GB got filled. Because of that, even I am not able to connect the database. Then what I will ask them? Okay, I will ask that admin, please increase the size of this mount point from 10 GB to 15 GB. Then they will increase the mount point size from 10 GB to 15 GB. So that in RK location, space will be there, no? Space will come, right? Then that time will, as a DBA, what I will do, I will take a backup of RK, so I will delete it. Okay, that is a second way. See here, okay, Unix team, once Unix team is increased the mount point size to higher value, DBA will, DB will come to normal state. DB will come to normal state. See, in real time, what will happen? No, okay, RKlog destination kept for which mount point? Arc mount point, no? Is that correct?
Yes.
If arc mount point reach to 85%, you will get the warning alert. If arc mount point reach to 95%, you will get the critical alert. For critical alerts, you will get the call from production support team saying that, hello DBA, you got the critical alert. You can resolve this one as soon as possible. Like that, they will tell us. You need to connect and you need to fix the issue. There's a way you can do it. Okay. Any questions here? Any questions or doubts? Do let me know.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Now just take a 10 minutes break. Okay. Okay. Just
So
kids
we
are.
we are while enabling and disabling this RK mode, we are keeping database in mounted state.
That's correct.
So during this time, application won't able to connect to the
No,
database.
it will not connect. That's what from starting of the sessions we are talking. When
Yes, sir.
database is in no mount, unmount, application will not connect.
Okay, sir.
Okay, take a 10 minutes of break. I guess she is telling, allow me something, sometime. Okay, yeah, take a 10 minutes of break. Okay,
Okay,
yeah,
sir.
now 22. Okay, 32 will connect.
Okay, sir.
10:32. Take a 10 minutes break. No more. Able to hear me? Hello.
Yes.
Ria, are you back?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Okay, done. Okay, now see here, we got one issue saying that RK-log went to 100%. When RK-log reached to 100%, what will happen? Okay, simple. You are not able to do anything. At database level, you are not able to do anything. Okay, not only connecting to DB, you are not able to perform the existing transactions also. Okay, you are not able to perform the existing transaction also. See here, okay, here you can see. Okay, whenever huge number of transactions are happening at database level, that time RKs will generate more. Because of that one, RK-log destination reached to 100%. Okay, when RK-log destination reached to 100%, DB will go hang state, and no database and application users not able to perform any transactions, and it will not allow new users to connect the DB, and you will get these two errors. See, in an interview perspective, this is an important interview question. Out of 4 interviews, they will ask at least it in 3 interviews. Okay, now, okay, 2 scenarios will be there here. You will get this error. Okay, when you got this error as a SysDVA, if you are able to connect, how to resolve this one? Okay, this is a way. Okay, see, if you are able to connect as a SysDVA, okay, we need to follow below procedure to resolve the issue. Okay, check the current RK-log destination size. Look what it is telling you. Okay, I will go to here and I will give DF-H. It is showing 100% reached. Now what we need to do? Okay, change the, okay, here you can see, change the RK destination to new one by creating like this mkdir-p backup RKs. Okay, backup RKs. Once it is created, okay, you need to set alter system set log underscore RK underscore destination is equal to new one I need to keep. Once I kept the new one, you need to perform one log switch. That is mandatory. Okay. After setting the RK-log destination above to new destination, perform the log switch. That time the DB will come to normal state. From hang state to normal state, when it will come, once you set the new location, after setting the new location, you need to perform the log switch. Then only it will come to normal state. After that, okay, connect it to RMN. See here, take a backup of RK-logs, delete input. Okay, see here, if you want to take a backup of RKs, I need to connect it to RMN like this. Backup RK-log or delete input. Okay, when you run that backup RK-log or delete input, what it will do? It will take existing RKs backups. It will take existing RK-log backups, and it will delete the existing RK-logs. Once that is done, change the RK-log destination to original one. How to change it? Alter system setter, okay, log underscore RK underscore dest underscore state underscore 1 is equal to location. I will give this one. Okay, after that, okay, I will perform one log switch so that my RKs will go to original location. Let's see how to do it practically. See here, okay, what happened now? You assume that, see, here I don't have much transactions. Okay, see, archive log list. Okay, if I go to this location now, okay, now you assume that, okay, give PWD and df-h dot. Assume that, okay, it is reached to 100%. Okay, now check how many archives are there in this location. See here, a lot of archives are there. See, these many archives are there. Because of archives are generated more, my database RK-log destination went to 100%. Now what I need to do? I need to check in which location more space is available. See here, okay, data we have only 2.5 GB. Okay, home I can't keep. But here you can see arc backup mount point, how much space is available? More space is there, no, in backup location? Okay, in this backup location, what I will do now, okay, I will create one directory like this, mkdir archives. Okay, now go here, PWD. Okay, give LSF and LRT. Okay, give LSF and LRT. Here, are we able to see any archives? Are we able to see any archives here?
No, sir.
No. Okay, now connect to 2DB. Okay, connect to 2DB. Check the archive log destination. No. Archive log list. Go now. I will come after some time. I will play. Go. Currently, archive log destination pointing to which one? Old one, where we got an issue. Now see here. Log underscore archive underscore dest underscore 1. So it is showing to here, no? Now what I will do, I will change this location. Alter system set log underscore archive underscore dest underscore 1 is equal to location is equal to what is a new location? This is the one. Done. Now check archive log destination. It got changed, no? Once you change the archive log destination, you need to give alter system switch log file. Earlier, the database went to hang state, no? When it reached to 100%, that it will clear now. Okay, now exit from here. Okay, just check here any archives are there. Which location we are? Okay, now see, archives are running to here, pointing to here. Once archives are pointing to new location, what you need to do, connect to rman like this. Connected to rman prompt like this. And you can run this one, backup, archive log all, delete input. Backup archive log all, delete input. Now, it is telling it is completed. Now, see here. Earlier, what I told, did you remember? What is the default destination for archives? Oracle Home DBS, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to see here the backup? This is the backup piece of rman. This is the backup piece of rman. Right? Now, go back. Now, here, are you able to see any archives? In this
No.
location, are you able to see any archives?
No, sir.
No. Let me go to arc/archives. Arc/archives. I guess I created in capital, I guess. Now, here you go. Are you able to see any archives here? Why we are not
No.
able to see here? I took a backup and I deleted, no? I took a backup and I deleted, right? By using backup archive log all delete input. That's what it got deleted. Now, in a original location, are we able to see any archives? No. Can I reroute the destination now to here? Yes. Okay. Connect to DB now. /sysdba. Now just give archive log list. See, archives are going to here. Okay. Now I will change the see here. Show parameter log underscore archive underscore dest underscore 1. See, archives are going to this location. Now see, alter system set log underscore archive underscore dest underscore 1 is equal to location is equal to, we just give the location this one. Archive log list. Archive destination got changed or no now? Earlier it was backup/archives. Now it got changed to arc/archives, right?
Yes.
Now, once that is done, you need to perform one log switch. It's a mandatory. See, whenever you change the archive log destination, it is a mandatory to do the one log switch. It is a mandatory. Without of that, your archives will not go to Okay, current archelog destination. Now see here, what is our current archelog destination? This is the one, no? This is the one our archelog destination, right?
Yes.
Like this, okay, we'll resolve the issue when archelog destination reach to 100%. When archelog destination reach to 100%, like this, we'll resolve the issue. Okay, any questions or any queries here? Do let me know.
Yes.
Okay, see, this concept is important. But in real time, did we face these kind of issues, sir? Means yes, sometimes we'll face. Okay, sometimes we'll face. Okay, then in that scenario, what you need to do? You need to follow this procedure. Whatever it is I listed here, right? You need to follow this procedure. Or you need to increase the archelog destination size from 10 GB to 15 GB. Okay. Yeah. Any questions here? Do let me know. Any questions or doubts? Did I'm going fast? Do let me know. Yenamma? Any questions? No, right? Able to follow me?
Yes.
Yes,
Right? Okay. No questions, no? Okay, done. This is the way we will, okay, resolve the archelog issue. This is the way we will resolve the archelog issue. Okay. Yeah. Any questions here? I guess no questions. Okay. See, if you want to take a hard backup of the database, or if you want to take a RMAN backup, the database must be in archelog mode. The database must be in archelog mode. Can I keep okay database in non-archelog mode and try RMAN backup? Now see the database status what now? It is in archelog mode. Archival is enabled. Okay, let me shut down the DB. Let me shut down the DB. Once I shut down the DB, no, okay, I will keep the databases in non-archelog mode or no archelog mode, not non, no archelog mode. Once you kept the databases in no archelog mode, okay, I will try to take one RMAN backup. Let's see whether it is working or not. I told no, if you want to take hard backup of the database or if you want to take RMAN backup, the database must be running. The database must be running. Very good. Archelog mode. Without of archelog mode, you can't perform the okay this one hard backup and R1 backups. Pawan, don't talk, Pawan. Select name, comma, open underscore mode, comma, log underscore mode from $v database. Here you go. Archive log list. So far, what is the state of the DB now? It is in archive log mode. Okay. Now see archive log list. Okay. Now see select a name, comma, open underscore mode, comma, log underscore mode from $v database. Okay. Now see alter database open. Okay. Now see archive log list. Database is automated archival. It is disabled now. Database log mode is in no archive log mode, right? Let me show you in another way. Now see, done no database is in no archive log mode, right? Is that correct? Now done. Okay. Now what happened? We are planning to okay exit from here. Okay, let me connect it to Arman target. See, earlier when I given the command backup or arclog or delete input, does it worked? This command, does it worked earlier? It worked, no? It worked. It took a backup and it is released these files also, right? Same command I will run now. Hmm. What it is telling me? What it is telling me?
Always hyphen 00248
Hmm.
manual
Hmm.
archiving in non-archive log mode must identify.
What it is telling you? Manual arclog copy is this doing. It's not Arman backup. If you want to take Arman backup, database must be in arclog mode. Now what it is telling you? No arclog must be identified. It is telling the database is in no arclog mode. You can't perform the Arman backup like that. It is telling you. And whatever it is happened also, that is a invalid backup. It's not a valid backup. Okay. So you need to consider that. Hmm? If you want to take the hard backup of the database or Arman backup of the database must be in arclog mode. No. Okay. Let me
Yes.
shut down the database immediately. Okay. Let me shut down the database immediately. Then let me keep database as in mount and uh, start the Arman backup. Okay. Now startup mount. Why I am mounting the DB? Why I am mounting the DB? To keep the databases in arclog mode. If you want to keep the databases in arclog mode, alter database arclog. Okay. Now check the state of the DB. Select the name comma. Okay. Open underscore mode comma log underscore mode from v dollar database. What is the state of the DB? It was in mounted. Log mode is archival, right? Now alter database open. Alter database open. Now see here, lot of archives are there. Okay. Now see archive log list. Okay. Alter system switch log file. It's always mandatory when you change the destination or when you enable the arclog mode. It is the mandatory to perform on log switch. When you perform the log switch, that time onwards, the archives will copy to the proper destination. Okay, able to follow me?
Yes.
Okay, done. This is how we'll do the arclog file management. Okay, any questions here? Do let me know. If no questions, we'll go for the hard backup. Any questions here? Do let me know. If no questions, we'll go for the hard backup. Hmm? Okay. If you want to okay run the hard backup of the database, or if you want to take a hard backup of the database must be run in arclog mode. Now database is in which state now? Arclog mode. So we are good to take a hard backup of the DB, right? Yes, yeah, we are good to take a hard backup of the database. Okay. Now how to take hard backup of the database? See, in a cold backup, what and all the backups we are able to take? What and all backups we are able to take? What and all backups we are able to take? Only database backup now? Is that correct? Only database backup, right? Okay. By using hard backup, we are able to take a backup of database, backup of table space also. And while taking the cold backup, what is the state of the DB?
Offline.
Offline or shutdown, right? Offline
Yes.
or shutdown, no? But here, when we are taking the hard backup of the database must be up and running. The database must be up and running, right? Okay, now here you go. Okay, my database is up and running, right? And
Yes.
the database is in RKlog mode only, no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
See, let me explain the procedure. Same procedure, same at the time of cold backup, what and all we did, same thing, but database we will not shut down. The database will not shut down. Apart from that, we will have the two more additional steps. The database must be in RKlog mode. The database must be up and running. This is a mandatory prerequisite for hard backup. This is the mandatory prerequisite for hard backup. Okay, now see here, check DB was in archive log mode or not. Archive log list or select name comma open underscore mode log underscore mode from $v database. Next, create the directory structure at OS level for a hard backup. Create the directory structure for hard backup at OS level. See, mkdir-p, like this I will create and I will go to that location. I will see any files are there in that location or not. Obviously, files will be not there. Then next what we will do, check the data files and control files are where it is located. Check data files and control files where it is located. We know, right? Select name from db underscore data files. Select file underscore name from db underscore data underscore file. Select a name from $v control file. Like this, we'll check now where data files are there, where control files are there. Like that, we'll check. Is that correct, right? Okay,
Yes.
I told the two steps are different when compared with code backup. Now, first step is that this is the one. Second step is this two. Okay, if you want to take the database hard backup, the database must be running, okay, begin backup mode. If you want to check the database is in begin backup mode, this is the view we will use it. View name is $v backup. View name is $v backup. Using that one, we'll identify the database is in begin backup mode or not. The database is in begin backup mode or not. See, in this view, we have a columns file hash, comma status. Using that one, we'll identify database related files are in begin backup mode or not. If it is there in begin backup mode, I am good to take a backup. If not there, okay, I need to perform one log switch. I need to keep the databases in begin backup mode by using alter database begin backup mode. Begin backup. Okay, once you keep the databases in begin backup mode and check all database related files are there in begin backup mode or not. Select file hash comma status from $v backup. If database is in begin backup mode, then start copying all the files, data files. Yeah, here you can see data files. Okay, control file. Once that is done, okay, put the databases in end backup mode and check the database is in end backup mode or not. Don't keep database in end backup mode once backup is completed. Once backup is completed. That is a panda. Don't keep a database don't keep databases in backup mode once backups are completed. Why? Because if you keep the databases in begin backup mode, more archives will be generated. Okay, take a question for the day. Okay, I'm pinging in the chat. See, this is an important interview question. Whatever questions I given, okay, do Googling and write it and send to me. If it is wrong, I will correct it and I will tell you next day. So far, I given three questions. No one sent to me. That's what even I was not bothered about that. Okay, now here you go. Okay, why archives will generate more when we keep the databases in begin backup mode. Important interview question. Important interview question. Why archives will generate more when we keep the databases in begin backup mode? Okay, in a hard backup, if anyone wants to ask the question, this one question they will ask. Another question I will show you practically. Don't worry about that. This question mandatory. This question is mandatory. Why archives will generate more when we keep the databases in begin backup mode? Okay. Yeah. Now see, let's focus on database backup only for now. Okay. Databases in databases in archive log mode or not? Done. Okay. I will show you document and see how I'm doing it. Okay. Next one. Okay. Next one. Second step. At OS level, I need to create the directory structure like this. Exit from SQL prompt. Okay. Go to df-h. Okay. Backup mount point. Okay. df-h like this. Now create the directory structure like this. Okay. Let me go here. Are we able to see any files here? Any files or anything like that? No. Okay. Second step is done. What is the second step? You need to create the physical directory for hard backups. That is done. Next one, third step, check the data files, control files location. Okay. Now see here. Okay. Connect here. This DBA. Now see, select a name from, select file name from db underscore data underscore files. How many data files are there? 11. Along with that one, we will have a temp files also, no? Temp files are listing here. No, right? Okay, let me go here. db underscore temp underscore files. Okay, all files are there in same location, no? Yes, it is in same location. Next, okay, check the control file where it is located. Able to see control files where it is located? Third step also done. Fourth step, okay, you need to identify, okay, database is in begin backup mode or not. See here, using this one. Okay, what I will do, select, here you go, file hash, comma, status from $backup. What it is showing you status here, not active means no database related file was in begin backup mode. Here it is showing only active. Not is there, only active it is showing. That means the database is in begin backup mode. That means the database is in begin backup mode. Now here you go. Okay, now database not in begin backup mode. Now what I will do, okay, I will perform one log switch like this. I performed it. Next one, I will keep my databases in begin backup mode like this. Alter database begin backup. When I keep the databases in begin backup mode, check alert log file is updating or not. Are you able to see at 11:02, I kept my databases in begin backup mode? Able to see that one?
Yes, sir.
That means I can't say I never put down the databases in begin backup mode. If I say that, if I go to alert log file with the details, at what time we enable, okay, at what time it is completed, everything it will be there in the alert log file. Is that correct, right? Correct now? Yes. Now, here you go. I kept my databases in begin backup mode. Now check the status of database related files. What it is showing you? What it is showing you?
Active.
Active. That means now the database was in begin backup mode. When database was in begin backup mode, okay, go to data files location, wherever data files are located. This is the location where our data files are located. No, just give lsfnl.th. Now star.dvf. To where I need to copy my files? To this location. To this location. Okay. Now data files backups is going on. Data file backup is going on. One minute.
Okay.
Okay, done. See, data files backup is done now. Data files backup is done. Okay, next. Okay, connect to DB and we need to take a backup of control file. In a cold backup, what we will do? Okay, we'll take a backup of control file by copying, no? But here it's not like that. Okay, here what we will do, we'll take using SQL command like this. Alter database backup control file to which location you are taking, that one, and as a what a file you need to keep a file name like that you need to keep it. Okay, alter database. Okay, backup control file to trace. Alter database backup control file to trace. Sorry, to location. Sorry. Okay, so that my backups will go to that location. My backups will go to this location. Now, data file backups is completed. Is that right? Correct. And the control
Yeah.
file backup is done. Done. Okay. Now check the state of the DB. Select the file hash, comma, status from $backup. What is the state of the DB now? It is in begin backup mode only. Now
Yes.
you need to put the databases in end backup mode. Alter database end backup. Now check the state of DB. Anything is in begin backup mode or not? Anything is in begin backup mode? No files
No,
are
no.
in begin backup mode, no?
Yes.
That means, okay, we kept the databases in end backup mode successfully. We kept the databases in end backup mode successfully. This is how we will take a hard backup of the database. Okay, okay, yeah, okay. Any questions here? Any questions or doubts?
So during this process, application team can able to do all the queries.
Anything they can able to do.
Okay.
Did I shut down the DB here?
No, no, sir.
Hard backup means when the database is up and running, when transactions are happening, if you are taking the backup, that will call it the hard backup. This hard backup is inconsistent. Why? Database is on online and the application team is connecting and they are updating some tables now.
Yes, sir.
If they are updating the tables, okay, that is inconsistent only, no backup. Yes,
Yes.
that is inconsistent only. Okay, yeah. And one more thing, if you put the databases in begin backup mode, okay, huge archives will generate. This is the important interview question. Why archives will generate more when you keep the databases in begin backup mode? Okay, that is one you just do Google it. Okay, just Google it. If you are send me the notes. Okay, whatever you learned, right? You just write it on one notes or notepad. You can send me in the group so that if you send, no, others also will get some motivation to learn. Or if
Okay,
you're
sir.
not sending, okay, I will only send it. Okay, after some time, not now. Okay, after some time. Okay, done. Okay, any questions here so far?
No, sir.
No, right? Okay, I will tell you. Okay, just take a 2 to 3 minutes break. Okay, I will tell you hard backup one more time. Okay, once hard backup is done, no, we'll wind up here. Tomorrow, I will start the new topic. Okay, yeah. Now,
Hold
uh,
So
please go
can
ahead.
we automate these backups from
Automation now, don't think now.
because
Okay,
in MS SQL for production
no,
systems.
we in Oracle also will automate it.
Okay, okay.
Okay, wait for some time. Okay, I know how to tell, where to tell. Okay,
No,
now
no.
what happened now? If I say
Any
automate,
other
right?
tools are
Uh,
using or inbuilt only we can do that.
No, inbuilt it will not come.
Okay,
Using cron jobs, you need to do it. For you
okay.
guys, maybe it will come inbuilt
Yes,
SQL DBA,
yes.
but for Oracle DBS, no, you need to keep it in cron job.
Okay,
Okay, again, I need to take that one. Okay, our topics will go away. After
okay,
RMAN is done, no, okay, I will show you how to take okay automated backups using cron tab.
okay,
Okay, that is in pipeline, our list only, KPI only, or our agenda only. Okay, we'll discuss later. Okay, yeah, let's learn the backups first, backups and recoveries. Then later I will ask one question. Can I go and take the backups every day midnight? No. Then what we need to do? We need to keep the backup jobs in the this one, cron job.
okay, sir.
Okay, yeah. Take a 5 minutes break. Okay, I will take one and will show you one more time how to take the hard backup of the database. Then for the day we'll log off.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow I will show you table space management. Sorry, how to take a backup using hard backup use for a table space. Then after that I will show you restorations and recoveries.
Okay,
So far
yes.
we are taking backups. Did we perform any restorations and recoveries?
No,
No,
sir.
no. How to do that? That one I will. Okay, see everything in my list only. Okay, no need to worry about it. Okay, that automations also I will show you. Okay, don't worry about
Okay,
that.
okay,
Okay,
sir.
yeah, take a break. Okay, 5 minutes. Okay, we'll connect 11:06. Okay, yeah.
Okay, sir.
Mm. అన్నవరం వెళ్ళొద్దాం. సరే సరే సర్లే సరే. Hello, able to hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. See, what we are planning to do, we are planning to take a hard backup of the database. First step, what we need to do, we need to check. Yeah, let me check. First step, we need to check, okay, database is in archlog mode or not. Database is in archlog mode, yes, right? See, it is in archlog mode, automated archival is enabled. Done. Next one, I'm checking from here. Select name comma open underscore mode comma log underscore mode from $database. Database is in archlog mode. Good. Now I need to create one directory in a backup location. Okay, I am creating a directory like this. Okay, mkdir hard backup, and today with the today date I'm creating it 03/05/2026. Okay, let me go inside of this one. Okay, here are we able to see any files? No, we are not able to see any files. Second step also done. Third step, okay, we need to identify wherever, okay, files are located, data files. Okay, dva underscore data underscore files. Next, so I need to identify where is my control file is located. v dollar control file. Done. Okay, control files are located here. Now I need to check a database is in begin backup mode or not. If you want to check that one, okay, like this we can check it. Okay, v dollar backup. Done. Okay, this is how we need to check. Then next what we need to do, I need to put the databases in begin backup mode. Before putting the database in begin backup mode, perform one log switch. Alter system switch log file. Done. Alter database, okay, begin backup. Alter database, begin backup. If you do like this, the database will be, okay, go to backup mode. Now see, all the database related files are there in backup mode, no? Yes. Now, what we need to do? Okay, once the database is in begin backup mode, you need to go to the data files location, wherever data files are located. Let me go to data files location. This is our my data files location. Go here, okay, copy all these files from here to, okay, this location. Okay, copy is going on. Once the data files backups are done, you need to take a backup of control file. How to take a backup of control file? Alter database backup control file to location you need to specify and backup file name you need to specify. Once that is done, okay, you need to put the databases in end backup mode. Okay, alter database end backup. Now see, data files backup is done. Okay, now I need to connect it to database, alter database, okay, backup control file, backup control file to this location. Here I'm keeping my control file name like this. Done. Now just check database status. It is in begin backup mode or not. Okay, v dollar backup. v dollar backup. Okay, now see here database is in begin backup mode. Now keep the databases in end backup like this. Alter database end backup. Done. Once you kept the databases in end backup mode, okay, try this. Right? Now database is in end backup mode. No files are in active state. That means, okay, backup is done. Hard backup of the database is done. This is how we'll take the hard backup of the database. Tomorrow we'll see how to take hard backup of the table space. Once that is done, I will tell about this one. What is that? One issue I told, no? One interview question they will ask you like that. I told, no? That
Yes,
one I will ask.
Yes.
I will tell you. practically. Then later we can go for the recoveries, backup and recoveries. Okay. Any questions here? Do let me know. If new questions, we'll wind up for the day. Okay. Tomorrow we'll connect. Okay. This week, okay. No, we can.